How to create a PowerPoint presentation on Microsoft OneDrive. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is easy and simple. Go to OneDrive. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. All what you have to do is so simple. Go to the top here, click on the plus icon like this. Now click down here on create a PowerPoint presentation. It's so easy and fast. As you can see, all what you have to do is to be already downloaded the Microsoft Office app. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later.